He going to the club tonight.
Yeah, he doing a great job cleaning. This somebody weed.
No, that's why you want to do it again. No.
Alright, it's my go.
Yeah. No, don't take her.
It's
I'm
ready.
gonna eat while playing.
I skipped Kiki.
We know. Alright, oh, this is my favorite card. Let's make a rule.
What's the color?
The color is going to be green.
The whole thing?
Okay, so
Okay,
take some
you
alcohol
like
in
yourself?
All right. See you in the morning.
That's black to me.
Let's bring someone else. Top ring, babe.
So great.
Okay.
Period.
Hey!
Sorry, not me.
Oh my god.
Shauma, make her pull for a card.
I never felt that happening so long.
Good job, Shauma. She was using it. She was waiting to use it on me.
I know, so like you said, sorry, Shauma. You should have been paying attention.
It's two, Shauma.
You gotta pull up too, Shauma. You got skipped, sweetheart.
You should have took you to the boards.
Kiki the best.
This is so good.
Kiki the best.
Hey, you skipped me.
Kiki the best. It's this way, Shauma. Go ahead. Don't know why you got red.
And which color is it, red?
Yeah.
Kiki the best.
Go
I'm on too hard.
DC.
Please change your mind.
Kiki the best.
Kiki the best.
Kiki the best. Oh
Honey, I changed the color.
Hey, Sudenya said thing. She was like, we was like, how old are you? She said, I'm old.
She was like, I'm
How are you?
I'm old. Telling your stuff.
I just asked where you was.
Doobie.
You was screaming, tell me. I was like, where is Doobie? Then I thought to myself, I said, he's somewhere hiding to scare
I
somebody.
came up here looking for him like 10 minutes ago. He hid this whole time in her room. I almost peed on myself. That's not funny. I just don't really like the decor in here.
Yeah, it's better in Niecy's room.
Cause it's just like, it's kind of like, oh, we don't have nothing else to do. Just do something.
After the code in, they take it back out?
Yeah.
Don't you got the e-brake on, Mom?
You didn't drive. You didn't drive. Go ahead.
Don't you got it? Why it ain't slowly going? I thought it was at least supposed to be slowly.
Oh no, babe, you gotta press the gas.
She talking about
for
slow.
this beast. Though.
Right.
Bae.
I said no. All you gotta. Did I say babe?
Yes, you did.
She did.
Oh my gosh. Ooh, don't cut that part out. Show daddy too. Show daddy too.
I'm so used to saying.
Right.
Deja and Doobie is at home with Asia. The night nurse is coming in at 3 because we had somebody for Saturday and Sunday, but her daughter got sick. So it's just us. Kiki had a nail appointment, so they'll be coming over afterwards. Kiki gonna go by the house and get them.
I forgot to tell you.
We
I
went
had
there
a
this
great
morning.
sleep
Oh, you
last
did?
night.
Good.
We were up until 1:42.
So we went there this morning to relieve the night nurse, D. Yeah, you gotta do what you gotta do. You gotta make it work. Put something on my lips. Oh, we on our way to the clubhouse for the water park. I told you it was like 10 minutes away from where we where we're staying. It's the clubhouse for the area, but it's like a lot of different areas. So the drive to the clubhouse is a little far, depending on what actual side of the community you stand in.
Excuse me, mommy.
Yes.
You know how many journeys we went on to, like a resort and stuff? We went to a resort for my birthday and Deja's birthday.
And
now
Sudenia's
Sudenia's
birthday before, and now again.
Yeah.
It started with Sudenia's birthdays.
Yes.
Dang, you need you a bucket.
Bucket.
I know you hadn't drove in a while, but
Oh, I just saw it outside.
It's right here. We have to go to the...
the gate just went up. They let us in. The clubhouse is over there. And guest services.
Be careful.
What they waiting for?
This says it's closed? Oh no, it says exit only.
Tu Casa Bar and Lounge. Tu Casa.
No more.
We're back here at our residence, weekend residence, because the pool, the clubhouse pool with the water, what is it called? The Lazy River and everything is closed for the weekend.
And we're not going to be even here on
Because
Monday.
a pump blew or something. I know that's out of their control, but that's really messed up because we were planning to enjoy that pool and the lounge and the restaurant and all that stuff.
Excuse me.
Finally wore my Skechers today. I had these things for a year or two. I don't remember. I haven't worn before. This is my first time wearing them.
Dang, Shauma, you getting that good, girl.
All right now.
Deja, do me, everybody.
Everybody up in here.
She do.
You're so scary. I'm not scary. I'm jumping all in the water, everything.
Someone get swimming today.
Shauma, she is out here like a mermaid.
Look at me.
Look at her.
Come on, Sadea. You got on your floaties. You want to go on the little ride? Come on. You can let me go so you can fall. I'm going to let you go, okay? Look. Look. Let me move your feet. Just move your feet.
I know that's what she be doing.
Get in here. Throw it in, Sadea. Throw Sadea in.
You guys, open your eyes. Jojo, watch this, Jojo. Ready? Okay, ready? Come on. Look at me, Jojo.
Kiki, why you not back in? Why she don't get back in, Kiki?
Ow, that thing hurt.
Oh, girl.
Come on. It don't go like that.
You think you're a mermaid or something? Hey, ding ding. No, wait, nothing. Okay. Maybe you can tie. Maybe you can tie with that.
Like mango.
Shauma, can you get out of the ball?
Sorry, we're having too much fun. Let's go!
Hey, birthday girl.
Yeah.
What you blowing up now? We got a ball.
She is not in the commercial.
Thank you. Right here. Birthday girl, right here, daddy. You gotta get a daddy. Thank you.
I told them they had my baby thing on backwards, but they didn't believe me. This is the correct way, so don't nobody come for us in the comments. And I corrected it.
Come on to us, to me.
Give it to your daddy. Girl.
Neither one of y'all get up there.
Oh my God.
Get it.
Go get
You gonna get the cake. Get the cake. Get the cake.
This is what Shauma gotta get.
So she gotta get cake things.
Yeah, I see it. Come here.
Eat the bottom. The bottom eaters.
Fried oysters. And I had some shrimp. They ate all those.
You didn't hear that?
This Chinese was crab.
You not gonna eat the bottom.
Snow crab.
That's what they be saying.
Potatoes and corn.
That's what they
There's three
hear.
right here. So you dig them in.
That's how you do it now. Bon appetit.
It's good, Nisi.
Oh yeah. When the big girl ain't
Going
talking,
in.
when the big girl ain't talking, you know it's good.
Oh my gosh. This thing.
Look at her. Yesterday she still ain't know how to
So
call.
if I don't have a diamond, I gotta.
Oh no, see she can't be doing it. You can't be talking across the board like they supposed to know the game.
I gotta think.
But you just have to make a smart decision. That's all.
I'm gonna pay attention. I'm gonna watch you.
Oh my gosh. You did not have to jump that high. That better be the only space you got in your hand. Go.
Where was my go?
Come on. Yeah.
Yeah.
Since my partner. You know what I'm saying?
I get confused by these spades. I don't know what to say.
Oh no, you did. Life is really what real. Like,
We won that, dude.
Yeah, that's 2 o'clock.
You know.
Right.
That's 2 o'clock.
That's it.
Right. Exactly.
Who won that?
Come on.
You can't talk across the board.
Y'all been talking.
Yeah.
I've been trying to teach her,
Not
man. You
that
gotta,
they can.
She can't come and teach. She got the no space. You don't come and talk. You supposed to know this game.
You just saying that because they got one book.
go, Nisi.
No, we ain't got no book.
That's what I just do.
Oh, you got one? Oh. Why ain't this game here now, man? I know.
We got y'all the first one. Y'all getting
Now that's because I didn't really know what I was doing.
I know you got a club in that hand.
No, she don't.
Alright.
But I know.
You must got them all in.
I got more clubs than that.
He going to the club tonight.
You been there for a long time, so you gotta give me something now. Just man, I've never seen this many clouds in the game.
It's one of those.
Let me get rid of them now.
He don't got no more broccoli left. Come on.
Don't be scared.
You know she don't know what to throw out, so go ahead.
No.
Go ahead. You know she don't know what to throw out.
Dang. Oh, I didn't go yet.
It doesn't matter.
What you doing?
I had to.
No, you didn't.
No, you didn't have to do that.
Oh, you gotta read the board.
You see, you had it. You see, you had to do it, boy.
Oh, you still on that book though. But you gotta read the
I
board.
thought I had to throw out a heart if I have a heart.
That is a spade.
Oh,
She still don't got it.
I had the hottest hand today.
The two of her still got her discombobulated.
3-3, yeah. Come on now. Come
We're
on,
doing
Nisi.
one more game.
You gotta, if y'all could play like fast people, we would have been got this over. Y'all play like old
What am I
folks.
supposed to be doing?
Shuffle.
That's it. I'm gone.
I'm supposed to shuffle. I thought y'all was shuffling.
Dude, it go around. Just you gotta know what spades is. It's a, oh my god. Just imagine if one person shuffled it in.
This ain't gonna work. This ain't gonna work, man. She keep asking questions. Come on, what's next? Man, everybody tell us what we somewhat good when you come to spades. You gotta be good, man.
That's why when they be like, you I play, yeah, I know how to play, but not that good. They be like, no, don't worry about it.
And then here she go, yeah, man, I play for money, I play spades.
You would have got all your money too.
Where's the money at? Just take our money next time, please. Let's get it.
Y'all would have ran it up on him. Oh yeah, I can't put no money with you, boy. You gonna make me lose my money.